Well, it's Saturday, December 3rd at about 8:15 in the morning, and we got a big blow coming in today. A big blow. Yes, there's a wind warning out. The wind's actually been blowing pretty hard through the night, probably 40 to 70 kilometers an hour. And they say later this morning and afternoon it's going to go up to 50 to 90 kilometers an hour, so that'll be a lot of fun. Anyhow, I'll try to record as much of that as I can. It's like recording a ghost in many ways because you don't actually see the wind, obviously. You just see the effects of the wind. Okay, it's 1:45 in the afternoon. The cold front and the associated rain have just pushed through. The winds are definitely up now. I'm just going to let the horses out again because I had brought them in about an hour and a half ago because it was raining heavily and I wasn't sure how long it was going to last or how quickly the winds were going to rise, but just going to let them back out. No sense standing in the stalls if it's nice out now like this. They probably didn't mind their little rest in here. Hey guys, Raven and Piper, maybe they don't want to go out. We'll see, I guess. Okay, Raven, time for you to come out. There we go. There we go. Okay, Pipe, out you go. No, the other way, the other way. Come on. Hey, come on, guys. Get out, out. Out you go. Come on, let's go. Maybe they didn't want out. Oh well. They need to get out in that nice wind. So we'll do the south field first, since that's the way Zoe wants to go, as always. The winds are certainly stronger now, in behind the cold front. Hey, Pipe. Feeling frisky? Well, it's turned into a fairly nice afternoon now. Periods of sunshine mixed in with the clouds. Strong winds, but other than that, it's nice. It's 8 degrees. Sounds like a big gust coming here. Can hear a distant roar. Here it comes. Here it comes. Whoa, look at that gust. I could hear it approaching, probably a kilometer away or more. Just a deep roar. This pine here, which actually has two trunks, had one of its tops snapped off a few years ago in a windstorm like this. The other top is still there, but they become exposed and more liable to break the taller they get. And it's probably usually just a very quick, big gust that snaps them. White pine are quite brittle if they're bent beyond a certain point. Whoa, there's a big gust. Don't break, trees. Don't break. It's funny how they come in little bouts. You get a bit of a lull, then another big squall comes. Then another little bit of a lull for a few minutes, then another burst. They come in pulses, I guess would be the way to describe it. Not sure what causes the pulses. Variations in pressure maybe, or just the effect of a cold air mass pushing out a warm air mass. But there's definite pulses. Another big gust coming through. Yeah, these gusts would be in the 80 to 90 kilometer an hour range, I'm sure. Most of it's probably 50 to 70, but then you get these big gusts.